Hey guys, welcome to today's open office hour training. Today I'm going to show you how to build a simple two-step opt-in page using Builderall at builderallqueen.com. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so here I am. I'm inside of my account. Two ways you can access the website builder. So the first way is here at the top, or you can go ahead and click on the website builder here if you've been inside of the builder before. So let's go ahead and start here. Tap on website builder. It's going to open it up. In the top right hand corner, I'm going to tap on create a new site. There are tons of templates that you can use here inside of Builderall, which makes it super easy. Some are free, some are paid. In this training, I'm just going to show you how to build it from scratch. So I'm going to select this one, which is a blank template. Click on Get Started. And it's going to take a few seconds just to open this up. Two things to know inside of Builderall at builderallqueen.com is that platform works in terms of panels and elements. It's going to open up a blank slate here with a panel already installed on the page. So this is a panel. This is an element, okay? The text box and the box, those are both elements. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and come over here to this little toggle, and we are going to add a new panel. All right, so let's go ahead and tap on it, and we're going to add a panel. Builderall gives you different panels that you can add as well. Let me just double click again. It is loading, and sometimes it lags only because of the recording. So bear with me, I am streaming in multiple places. All right, so here we go. So they have first fold, three-step thank you page. Opt-in banners are here as well. We can take a look at those. And there you see, there are options here for the opt-in. Super cool, super neat. Let me just go ahead and, all right, let's just select this one. Okay, let's go ahead and tap on it. It adds it right there. So if you're offering a webinar, masterclass, or a download, totally up to you what you're offering to your audience. You will find it here inside of Builderall. So let's just say that we're offering this, how to create a high converting lead capture funnel for any niche, which is pretty much what I'm training and teaching you guys how to do inside of Builderall here. So we have that there. The next thing I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to delete this text box here. I'm going to delete this box as well, even though I could have left it there. And I'm going to use this little guide, this little circle right here, the blue circle. I'm going to just drag this up just a bit to about there. And I'm going to come over here to this little toggle, open it up. And now I want to add an image element. It's highlighted by blue where I am. So I'm on the panel, go to return, on the panel, on the element. Okay, so I'm going to come down here and I am going to look for an image. I'm going to tap image and I'm going to drag this one here and I'm going to drop it inside of this panel that I just minimized. I'm going to tap on that, this image element. I'm going to tap on it. And here it opens up on the right hand side. I'm going to change the image. So I'm just going to tap on change image. I should have images here. This is one of my Builderall accounts. So let's go ahead and scroll on down and we are going to find a logo for Max Women. Let's go ahead and scroll a bit more and here we go. I'm just going to tap on it. It's highlighted and then I'm going to tap on save. It drops it right there. Now it looks a little bit stretched out because it's too large. It is a logo. I'm going to go ahead and just grab. All I'm doing is grabbing that little circle. And I'm resizing it by making it smaller. All right. Now let's go ahead and move it into the center of the page. Super simple, super easy to do. All right. So I can move it around by just clicking on it, holding it, and moving it around. And you see the guide is there, which shows me that it's in the center of the page. Now, if I wanted to use the little guides here, I can, just like a Word document, I can go ahead and tap into center, and there it is. It's centered on the page. Super easy, super simple so far, right? Let's go ahead and tap on save in the upper right hand corner just to save what we've done so far. And I'm not quite ready to publish it yet, so I'm just going to save, but I'm not going to publish right now. All right, let's go ahead and close this out. Take a look at what we've done so far in seconds. I'm going to add one additional panel. You don't need to, but I'm going to go ahead and add a footer. So I'm going to hit on panel. Here I'm on panels. I'm going to scroll down and I am going to find a footer. Don't need to add it for this, but I like to. All right, so let's go ahead and look for a simple footer to add to our two-step opt-in page. Let's go ahead and tap here. All I need to do is to click on it, and they do the heavy lifting at Builderall for you at builderallqueen.com, and it is added here. Now, I don't need a second menu at the bottom, so I'm going to tap on it, and I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. Yes, delete. And I'm going to delete this button as well. Yes, delete. And then I'm going to add another element here, which is a text box. So I'm going to scroll on up, tap on text. I'm just going to grab this paragraph. I'm going to place it right there inside of this panel that we added. So I'm just going to tap in here. I'm going to highlight all of that to remove it. And I'm going to say all rights. Let's go ahead and make sure that I'm not on all caps. I'm going to put our website here. And I'm also just going to put the year as of this training, and it's 2024. All right, so that's how that looks. I'm going to move this down just a bit, and again, we can go ahead and make sure that it is centered on the page. Two ways to do that is by using that guide. You saw those green lines, or just tapping here, and it's centered on the page. All right, so we'll close that out, and that's our page. Now, I want to move this up just a bit because we don't need all of that white space. So I'm just going to move it up a bit, tap away from it, and then I'm just going to move my text up just a bit as well. Take a look, and let's say I wanted to move this, make this a little bit larger. Two ways to do it. I can just drag and move it, right? Or I can go into the pencil. It's so easy, you guys, simple to do. And this is the two-step opt-in page. All right, I can size it here as well. Can change the colors, do all of the things that I want to do inside of this panel. Same with here, I can change this image if I wanted to use a different image. I can change any of these colors. And of course, this form is set up inside of Mailing Boss, okay? I could have used the button and also make it a pop-up for that two-step, or I can just have them enter their information here, okay? All right, we're gonna go ahead and save. Almost done. Not quite ready to publish. I'm gonna go to my page settings. There are two ways we could actually do this, but I'm just gonna go to page settings. I'm gonna go to my pages on the left, and I'm going to duplicate that home page. So now it says home copy. On these three little dots here that says settings, I am going to change the name of that page, and I want this to be my thank you page. All right, and I'm going to say the same thing here, thank you. And over here, we're going to go with thank you. And we could do thank you page, okay? All right, let's just go ahead and save that. Now we're going to edit the thank you page. And all I did was just tap on that little pencil icon to open it up. Now everything we did on the home page is already here. So now I can go ahead and customize this page for the thank you page. So we don't need to have the opt-in form because they've already opted in, right? So I'm going to tap on this opt-in form, and I'm going to delete what we don't need. So I'm going to delete this form. I'm going to delete this as well. I'm going to delete all of these. We don't need these. And now, if this were the actual webinar or the live masterclass, then I would have a video here with the live masterclass or some instructions on how to access the masterclass. We can go ahead and come back into our elements. We're going to scroll down. I'm just scrolling down here. And we can go ahead and go into either our video gallery or videos. If we have it on YouTube, we'll just drag it, drop it onto that element. And all we would need to do is to add our video link here. All right, we can open it up, place our masterclass here, and they would have access to it. Okay, now we want to change the text here as well. And I'm just double clicking. And maybe it will say, welcome to the masterclass, right? Or welcome to the training. Let's just go ahead and delete the rest of this. Let's delete that. And we'll delete all of this as well. Awesome. I'm just going to move this down a bit. And I want to make the text larger. I can do that by going into text, either double clicking or going to that large T. I'm just going to highlight it. And I'm going to change the font size right here. So let's say I wanted to do 40. Let's do 30. I'm just going to tap on save. And there it is. That's the name of the masterclass. And there is a training there. Okay. So super easy to do, 2 simple steps, and it is going to redirect them from once they put their information in, their email, their name, whatever credentials you ask for on the home page, it's going to take them to this page. Let's go ahead and save. I'm going to head back over to that home page. And we're going to make sure that this is configured to do what we want it to do. Okay, last step and we are ready to roll. All right, so let's go ahead and tap into this gear icon here. I've selected this element. We're going to tap into this gear icon. And again, this is set up inside of the Mail and Boss, inside of Builderall, right? So let's go ahead and use this one. All right, so this is an actual live opt-in form that I have inside of my account, inside of Builderall, builderallqueen.com with Mail and Boss, okay? I'm just gonna show you this inside of this training so you would set your links, okay? So for my opt-in page, I have a double opt-in. Now, if you just want them to go from one to the next, then you wanna go ahead and just have the subscriber confirmed. And so once they've confirmed by entering their information, then they would go to the next page, okay? So they don't get to reserve their seat until they've entered in this information. All right, so let's go ahead and save. And so once they've done that, then they're going to go ahead and get the information here on this page. You can also add information about sending them an email with the link. So let's do that as well. I'm just going to add in text. I'm just going to add this here. And just tap on that T. And it opens it up. And we are going to highlight everything here. And we are going to type in information about them receiving an email, okay? Let's say a confirmation email has been sent to your inbox. Or a confirmation email has been sent to your inbox. I'm going to make this white, so I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to go to my text, and I'm going to make that white, and then I'm going to hit save. I'm going to tap on this center element icon, and that's it. That is it. That is all. All you need to do now is to save, publish your site, your two-step landing page, and you are ready to drive traffic to this, to opt people in. So that's it. That's all. It is super simple, super easy to do. Let me know if you guys found this helpful. I will add the links below in the video for you to access Builderall at builderallqueen.com if you have questions or want to be a part of our free community. We do live open office hours every Wednesday at noon, and you will get access to more trainings like this, information, tips, tools, resources to help you to build your business online. Guys, remember, in closing, we are always creating. So create success. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye for now.